to show so much that the earth is a globe moving through space. Let's go around blue planet, this wonderful place. So great, but some people just don't buy it. But why? Try their hardest to deny it. They throw around words they don't understand. Say what? And treat all the evidence like a scam.